This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.
And one of the main things about it is all the AI features. And no, they're not a gimmick. But first, let's look at what's new with the hardware.
One of the first things that stands out right away is the new build and refinement to the edges. First of all, it's made out of titanium, which feels extremely hefty and nice. You have a nice flat bottom and top, and the sides are a little bit more flat, so it feels really great in the hand. Also, the front of the screen is way more flat, so when you're writing with the S Pen along the edge, it doesn't fall off the edge now. It's really nice because you have a little bit of that lip there from the frame, and it's really flat, so it feels really pleasant to write up against.
The 6.8-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED display supports a refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. It's honestly incredible how it handled direct light compared to the S23 Ultra. It comes in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow.
Now, of all the colors, which one is your favorite? I really like this one right here. That two-tone look to it is just really nice. It looks really great in different types of light. It can look purple or a little bit more navy-like, but let me know what you think.
It's honestly exciting to see more fun colors again on a flagship phone. But if you want even more vibrant color, cool designs, or cases, then you should check out channel sponsor Dbrand. They have some awesome X-ray skins out in both light mode and dark mode, and some more colorful options if that's more your taste. If you need a skin, case, or a screen protector for your S24 device, or for the many other devices they support, make sure to check out the link in the description.
AI is in a lot of different areas on the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now, if you have a note here, let's say you click on that one, there's this little button down here that has like the AI assistant. You can click on that, and it has a bunch of different things that you can do. You hit OK, and you can summarize it, you can auto format, you can correct spelling, and you can translate it. So let's do a summarize. So it's scanning all the things there. And here's a summary of what is in the article. Now, if you want to, you can adjust it. So you do standard or detailed and get a little bit more information there if you want to. And what we can do is you can add it to the note. So we'll hit add and then end or new note. So let's put it at the end of the note. And you can see our original note here, and then the bullet points down at the bottom. This would be great for studying, or if you're at tech events like myself and I'm just writing down a ton of things, you can summarize all that right there. Really cool. Okay, let's try the auto formatting option. Click on auto format. You have headers and bullets or meeting notes. Let's do headers and bullets. Again, it'll scan it. And there it is. How clean is that? Another really cool thing is the new voice recorder feature. This is going to be awesome for when you're in a class or you're in a meeting and you need to transcribe things. So you can hit transcribe, choose the language that you want. So we have it on English right here. Let transcribe. And what it'll be able to do is it'll analyze what was said in the recording, and it can actually distinguish between different voices. So you can see speaker one, things like that. Pretty cool. And you can even have a summary of what was talked about, which is really kind of incredible, especially if you have like a whole meeting and stuff. How awesome is that? Now, even better, for the little dot up there, you can add to Samsung Notes here. And then now you have it in your notes, and if you want to, you can highlight everything and hit the little AI magic button. And then over there, you can translate it to another language. So this is a very awesome way, let's choose Japanese, an awesome way to be able to share your notes with someone else, and it's very easy to do that. Additionally, if you're in another country, maybe you have some sort of meeting with someone and you want to have the notes there, it makes it very easy to translate from that other language back into your native tongue. This is a really fun feature that I like a lot. So say you have something on your screen or you're looking up a location. So I have Paris pulled up here. And if I'm curious about this image right here, I can just tap and hold on the home button and we activate something called circle search. So you just circle around it. Great animation with the little bit of glow there that makes it really fun. And then you get information right here. And so right here, it'll give me an answer. It'll tell me more about the Arc in Paris. And then you can ask a follow-up question if you want to, or even ask some of the questions that are prompted for you. Now, what's really cool is if you happen to take a photo with your camera, maybe you want to find out a pair of shoes or a bag or whatever, and within the photo in your gallery, you can also use the circle search feature. I don't have a picture of a bag here, but I have a picture of this cute cat here. So again, you just hold down the home button, you can circle around the cat, and it'll pull up information about this particular cat. So it gives me information on what kind of breed it is, as well as some information right here, just kind of teaching you about it. It's really cool.
One thing to note, the Circle Search is not exclusive to Galaxy devices, but will be rolling out to other Android devices like the Pixel 8 Pro later this year. But if you want it first, you'll have to go with the Galaxy S24 Series device.
Another really cool AI feature is when you're writing a message or social media post, you can write something and maybe you're more direct over text. You hit this little button here, the AI button. You can change a bunch of different things. You can correct your spelling and grammar, translate it into another language if you want to, or change the writing style. So we're going to change the writing style. You can have a more professional option there, casual, social media, polite, emotify. This is a really helpful feature if you're a little bit more direct or brief when you're writing messages and your tone doesn't come across as well. You have different options to make it a little bit more accessible or get the tone across that you intend.
What do you think about these AI features? Do you believe that they're helpful, and would you use them?
Now, one thing that Samsung has been known for, especially with those Taylor Swift concerts, is how good those telephoto photos look like. With that 10x, you can get really far and it's really high quality. And if you want to, you can go even more with the digital crop. It's pretty incredible. Additionally, you have different options for the size of your image. So you have 12 megapixels, 50 megapixels, and then 200 megapixels, which is really great if you want a ton of detail and the ability to recrop your image after you take a picture. Now, a neat feature that I'm seeing here is the color tone. So you can adjust it to either a natural or a warm color tone. Oh, warm looks really nice, a little bit more classy, and it kind of smooths out a little bit of the way you look without looking bad.
There's also a neat new feature called Instant Slow-Mo where you can tap and hold on a video and it slows it down to a quarter of its speed. Then you can easily choose where the slow motion takes place and edit the video. It looks pretty good to me, but what do you think? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of base storage, and it goes up to 1 terabyte of storage.
I definitely have to say, with the design refinements, with the edges, the screen, the materials and everything, that this is by far my favorite Samsung Galaxy device so far.
Pricing for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,299.99 and will be available starting January 31st.
But if you pre-order now, there are some exciting upgrades that come with it, like expanded storage size. So make sure you check out those links down below in the description, and it also helps support the channel.
I hope you enjoyed this first look hands-on impressions review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung has provided a review unit for me, so a full review and my massive tips and tricks video with the new One UI will be coming soon.
Let me know in the comments what you think about Samsung's latest offering, and thanks for watching This Is Tech Today. Until next time.